Today I will be showing you the disassembly and reassembly of the Savage Arms Stevens Model 320. So to start, you're going to come up here to the top of your barrel, unscrew this, and remove your barrel. After that, you're going to go to the rear of the gun, where you'll find 2 screws in the buttstock. They're going to have to be taken out. Once you do that, you're going to need a 1/2-inch socket and a ratchet with a 6-inch extension and a 2-inch extension to get in there to reach the one bolt that holds the buttstock onto the shotgun. Now I like to loosen it, and then from there use my fingers and hold on to it to take it off so I don't mess up any of the threads, and it keeps the bolt in there. Then put that aside, and from there you can take out your trigger assembly with this pin right here. Just pop that out. And then you're going to pull up and back on the trigger assembly and pop right out. Pull forward on your action, separate it. Now to take this apart, you're going to push forward on your firing pin just a hair, pull it up, and it'll release. Now put it back together, push it in. Make sure you line up these notches in the back. And then let it go forward to where it seats. And then slide it forward, back into the gun. Then you'll take your trigger assembly, put it back in. Take your pin, put it back in. And from there, you put your buttstock back on. Which sometimes can be a challenge. Once you're on, tighten it up. Replace your rubber back of your buttstock. Back up to the barrel, slide that back on and in, screw this back on. There you go, disassembly and reassembly, the Savage Arms Stevens Model 320 12 gauge. So previously I did the disassembly and reassembly of the Savage Arms Stevens 320 12 gauge. Now we're going to be doing a firing test to make sure everything is functional and working.